Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding car detailing businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google to find any service, go to the upper search bar, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name. And after doing that, you're going to scroll down and pick from the first few results down below, or you'll go up here and pick from the Google Map Pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you do, but it seems to be a pretty popular option to find services, as you'll notice there are roughly 500 searches every single month for car detailing companies in New Orleans. And that number gets way, way bigger when you start talking about variations of this phrase like auto detailing New Orleans, car detailing near me, and a variety of other search terms that are, similar, but just kind of variations of this same search term. However, the goal remains the same in this video, regardless of the search term, and that goal is to put your business at the forefront of those searches so that we can guarantee that at least 480 people every single month see our business first before looking at another competitor. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we're going to need to understand first. So first off, let's talk about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll compare that to your site and see what you're doing so far. Taking a look at Slate Detail, and they are the #1 organically ranking company in that area for car detailing. And if we scroll down their site, you're going to notice that they have tons of different paragraphs of content. And if we examine that even further, we start to notice that they have also a ton of industry-specific keywords that go along with that content. But let's stick to the amount of content first. Having a good amount of content on your site is very important for ranking because it promotes a positive user experience and gives users something to engage with. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when they're looking to promote a website to the first page. And now, like I said, they also have tons of industry specific keywords and phrases that go along with their website. So, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a site. And based on those keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we not only have keywords, but that we also have the content to go with it as well. We can't do one or the other, we need both. So, let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. Here on your website, and right away, we're going to want to fix this little error with the content already because that's ultimately going to hurt our user experience. But now, let's go down and take a look at your content because right now you do have some content, but you don't have a lot of content, and we're going to want to change that. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. You can feel free to go much higher than that or much more content than that if you'd like, but that's the bare minimum of what I've seen to be a very contentful site. Now remember, we can't just have content either. We're going to need our industry specific keywords. We're going to want car detailing, auto detailing, mobile detailing. We're also going to want our city, so we're going to want New Orleans. All those are different keywords we're going to want. So we have to work those in our content as well. But that's only going to be the first half of everything. That's going to be our internal side. We also need our external side. Now, the external side consists of backlinks and citations, and those are going to help us really climb over our competition after our internal side lays the foundation. So let's take a look at your competitor's external backlink structure, and then we'll go back and compare that to yours. Looking at your competitor, and you'll notice that they have almost 100 backlinks built to their site, and ultimately it's bringing in about 177 users per month. Now, those extra 177 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their backlink structure. Now we need both to create the strongest structure possible, but as you see here, they're only getting 177 users a month. So there's much, much more potential for us to go in there and really capture that full search traffic for the month. However, we need to do a ton of different things first. So let's go over to your backlink structure, see what you're doing so far, and analyze what you can improve on. So here we are at your backlink structure, and currently you only have 7 backlinks to your site, and it's generating you about 11 users every single month. Now, that's not bad at all. That's a good starting point, but we want to expand on that. If our competitor has 100 backlinks, we're going to want 200 backlinks, maybe even 300 or 400 to really push our margins and go really above and beyond them. So definitely something to think about, and we need to make sure that we do all these things because the way we look at our website is that our website is a 24/7 salesperson for us. It makes sales at 3 in the morning. It makes sales at 10 at night. So we need to give it the resources it needs to really make those sales. And that means backlinks, content, keywords, and also citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack and talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. So here we are looking at the Google Map Pack, and the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different factors. One of the most important being, citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular examples of citations are things like Facebook, Instagram, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books. All those are different citations you can give for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I went through and took a look at each one of these companies, and from top to bottom, we have 72 citations, then we have 56, and lastly, at number 3, we have 38. So if number 1 has 72 citations, we're going to want 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our keywords. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a very positive correlation in the amount of traffic your website is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that your business is bringing back for you month over month. Now, that's all I have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what could an extra 480 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video was very educational, and thank you for watching.